Salam everybody, this is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is Upwork, ticker symbol UPWK. The stock is currently at $38.80. So what Upwork is a company that operates an online marketplace that enables businesses to find, hire, and pay freelancers for short-term and longer-term projects. Its marketplace offerings include Upwork Basic, Plus, Business, Enterprise, and Payroll. This company was founded in 2013. So this is essentially a talent marketplace where people of various skills and expertise can advertise their skills in hopes of working with clients in various projects, whether it's a short-term project which lasts one day, or it could be an ongoing long-term project. So this is a way for clients to get a lot of their projects done, and for freelancers to get income with the skills they have. So when you go on the App Store, you will notice that there are two apps for Upwork. So this is the app for the freelancers that are looking for projects. And what it is you will search for jobs based on the skills that you have. So you can look for these clients. They will tell you what the project is, how long this project is going to take, the time commitment, as well as the pay. How much are they going to pay you for this project? So they'll give you the details of the job, and you can submit a proposal showing your interest in working this project. And you can communicate with the client through the app as opposed to texting or email. And once the client gives you a job offer, you have the ability to accept or decline the offer based on what they're proposing. And over here is the app for the clients who are looking for freelancers. So you will look for freelancers that have the skills that you're looking for. So in this example here, they're looking for people with database design experience. So they'll give you a list of people, their ratings based on prior projects, how much they've earned, and then they'll give a little description of who they are, what they do. So basically, you're trying to find a match for someone that has the skills you're looking for to complete this project. And then you have job offers. So these freelancers are going to compete for your offer. So typically you'll have these two offers, and you can choose between those that are willing to work your job or project. And again, you can communicate with them, and you have the ability to review the proposal, how much you want to pay them, and all that. So one reason why I'm really bullish on Upwork is because freelance work is surging, especially due to the pandemic in 2020. In this article from NPR, they're saying that the proportion of the workforce that performs freelance work is at 36%. And when you look here at this graph, you'll see the share of freelance workers in the American workforce from 2014 to 2020. And at 2014, freelance workers made up 17% of the American workforce, compared to 2020, which is 36%, which is the highest it has ever been in this decade. And this is a pretty significant bump from 2019, particularly due to the pandemic affecting full-time permanent work. And reading this article, they say that there's evidence that many workers are turning to freelancing out of necessity, not by choice. employers have shed millions of permanent full-time jobs. Freelancing, with all its insecurity, such as no benefits and unpredictable income, has often become a means to survival. So as you know, a lot of full-time jobs provide benefits such as health insurance, vision, dental, paid time off, yearly bonuses. You're not going to get that with freelance work. You'll basically take the jobs as they're available. As long as they're paying you, you'll take it. So now that we know that freelance work is a booming industry, let's take a look at how this stock has performed. So when you look at the financials, this company has a $4.74 billion market cap. And the 52-week low was $5.14, and the 52-week high was $44.05. So it's a pretty wide range. And when you look at how the stock has performed, it has been on a run-up throughout 2020. It was below $10 earlier in the year. And then it was in the teens. And it was near $20. And then the election boom has caused it to go up even more to the 30s. And we've touched the 40s. And yeah, we've been in the 30s to 40s range recently. So this stock has had quite the run up this year. And when you look at the revenue, they've been consistently increasing the revenue year after year. And you do notice that they have negative earnings, which is pretty common amongst these growth stocks. They haven't reached profitability just yet, but they do have the potential to do so. So from 2016, it was a little above 150 million, and then 2019 it just reached 300 million in revenue. And then for 2020, you'll see through the quarters, revenue has gone up, but we're still experiencing negative earnings. Analysts are saying that this is between a buy and a strong buy, with the highest price target being $48 and the lowest one being $28. So looking at the income statement, they currently have a net income of negative $29 million. And then in the balance sheet, they currently have $133 million in cash, $446 million in assets, and $186 million in liabilities. So as long as the assets are above the liabilities, this company is performing pretty well. They are currently operating at a negative income, so once they reach profitability, that won't be a concern anymore. So given the potential of freelance work and how it has taken up a little over a third of the American workforce, we're seeing that freelance work is a growing business. There are people that are going to do this either full-time or as a side hustle in addition to the job they may have. And with that, I am bullish on this company in the long term. Now, I did own shares of Upwork earlier in the year. I purchased them around $14. I sold at $20. And as you can tell, I missed out on the gain. But I would like to re-enter back into Upwork and build a position. So I would like to see the stock pull back to the low 30s or high 20s. That would be a pretty good entry point. And I don't really have a price target for this stock, but I really do see this above $50 within the next 2 years. I can give a short-term price target because this is a pretty volatile stock, as with many growth stocks. So I am long on Upwork. in the long term. Now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy this stock because I'm talking about it. Please do your own research and look in the 10Ks of this company before investing your money into it. This is Investor Shake, checking out.